Today we're going to read Bad Kitty, Kitten Trouble by Nick Bruel. Prologue, 8 years ago. Snuff, snuff, snuff. Made in Singapore. Chapter 1. Today, Monday. 8 years later, Kitty doesn't like that kid who delivers the newspapers. Boom. Conflict. Every day, the same thing. He bonks her on the head with the newspaper, and then he rides off his bike saying, "Sorry, cat." Kitty doesn't like that kid's bike. Kitty doesn't like that kid's bell. Kitty really doesn't like that kid at all. So Kitty decides to do something about it. Tuesday. World's scariest mask. Not suitable for cats 3 and under. Delight your friends, terrify your enemies. Bring. Bring. Boogie, oogie, oogie. Wham! Bonk. Sorry, cat. Oh God, she's really... Wednesday. Bring. Flip, 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 flip. Bonk! Conflict growing. Sorry, cat. It's really funny. Thursday. Bring. Bonk. Getting worse. Sorry, cat. Friday. Bring. Bonk. Sorry, cat. Saturday. Flip. Flip. Kabong. Bring. Bonk. It's not safe. Sorry, cat. Sunday. Operation. Smash the newspaper kid. Place irresistible bait in middle of road to lure obnoxious kid. Hide in tree with bowling ball. Bag of rocks, barbell, assortment of plastic pants, baseball bat, ham and octopus pizza, in case I get hungry. Wait for a suspecting and rotten kid to arrive. Pounce on dopey kid like a ferocious savage animal, along with many instruments of destruction. Ignore pleas for mercy. Watch awful kid cry. Laugh in nasty kid's face. Finish pizza. It's very mean, cat. Free baseball cards for horrible kids. Yes, free. Not a trap. Clickety whackety, a crash, bash, smash, clang, bang, bong, look at the zonk, splano, boom. Bring, not a trap. Sunday edition, cat. Thud. Sorry, cat. Kitty really doesn't like that newspaper kid. Okay, so this is already chapter 2. We'll stop here. Okay? See you on the next episode.